Hi there for everyone who wants to be a Ruby on Rails rockstar. This is Sergey and I'm a Ruby coach at Ruby Gardens project. Today I'm not going to tell you how to grow into a Ruby on Rails developer in 3 months, but how to become from an ordinary person into the 1 in a million man in a nowadays IT community. Have you ever thought about the difference between the notation of the coach and the teacher? Or what is the difference between the man who has been taught and the man who trains? In my opinion, the answer for both of these questions is in the motivation. The man who learns something not always clearly knows what he wants to achieve. But the man who trains, I think, he's formed the goals for themselves for sure, and he's struggling to achieve his aims. Actually, here we are helping people to achieve and reach their goals. Probably to be a coach at the Ruby Gardens, it's something akin to work of pioneers or discoverers. It's difficult to say that I'm just doing my work well. No, actually it's an everyday super drive and motion, and it takes you for 100%. Just try to imagine the guys who come to us, and I believe that in the nearest future, maybe not just the guys and also the girls, all of them are experienced developers, and all of them have a certain goal. And this goal to get the pleasure and the satisfaction from what you are doing. How can I stay away in this situation? It takes me entirely, and the trainings turn into an open dialogue between the professionals. Actually, here we are not teaching anything. We are giving the opportunity for you to learn and to reach. If I would be the one who is watching this video, probably I would have the one specific question, and I'd like to get the answer for this question. So, why that guy can train me Ruby? Or why should I listen his opinion? So the answer is, for the last year I've been working at the RightScale company. This company is kind of a flagship in a cloud computing industry. And I would say more that to work in this company, it's for 90% to invite solution and then to implement it, but not just to search for the existing ones. Just try to imagine your normal day. You go to your work and suppose you have a problem that needs to be implemented. And you go to Google and start search for the solution of this problem. And the result of Google search is equal to 0. This actually what I do every day. And that's what I can train and teach those who come to me. Okay guys, our producer shows me that starts from this second your attention is beginning to float away. So the last but important thing that I want to tell you. Why is it worth to choose Ruby? I can identify 2 basic facts. The first is the people with whom I work, who truly love their job and what they do. And the second one is the language itself, which is aimed not just to implement the software, but language which helps you to express your thoughts. How can I express something beautiful using a language which is inherently ugly? And that's why if you're starting to learn Ruby, you are starting to evolve a sense of beauty inside yourself. And if you evolving this, you simultaneously evolving and making world around you better. So, welcome aboard!